Welcome people, welcome viewers. This is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. It is important for you to like and subscribe. It is very important for you to like and subscribe. Now, this a brother here sound like him come from Africa. Respect to the Africans them, you understand? Come from Africa, I'm a contractor at a zoo in Jamaica. As you can hear the people them in the background, them accent, them they are Jamaican, you understand? And it is confirmed that the zoo is in Jamaica. You understand what I say? But that brother here, I don't know what him did that try to accomplish. I put him on in the lion mouth. I don't know if it's something him do daily and it work out for him, but obviously this time it never work for him. And uno viewers, I'm not even going to want to say enough to follow that brother here, because remember say lion now walk around like dog. Lion is not no easy access animal, you understand? Them always cage up. Plus you always hear say lion the king of the jungle, so don't play with them, don't put your hand in them mouth, you understand? And I want to look a mongrel dog, and I want to look a poodle. But to me I say still, that brother here is still puzzling. When did that try to accomplish? Can somebody really leave a comment in the comment section and let me know when did that try to accomplish? When really did that try to accomplish? If I don't want to bite off finger, I want to bite off hand. When I'm saying I do entertain the people them don't entertain already by the fact that the lion they right in front of them. That is enough. Jamaicans don't see lion ever in them life, so the fact that we are see them in front of we, live and direct, that's entertaining enough. Now put your finger in their mouth for entertain we. We are gonna laugh off of you and we are gonna advise you for go to the hospital, brother. Fucking idiot. Now people, viewers, remember it is important for you to like the video. Like and subscribe. Like this video right now and subscribe. And if you have something to say, the comment section is there. Leave a comment in the comment section. Big up on yourself.